Hello friends, welcome to today's Spark session. In this session, we are going to see a scenario based question on Spark. And the question is how to handle a bad record in Spark. This same question we have seen in our earlier videos regarding the modes available. I will give it an I button. If you have missed that video, have a look into it. In that video, we have seen what are all the modes available to capture the bad records like permissive, drop malformed, and then the another last one is fail fast. So that being said, in this video what we are going to see different is the specific feature that is available in Databricks that helps us in handling a bad record to save it for our future purpose. Like in this video we will see how to save those bad record in a particular file or in a particular table so that we can analyze the bad records in for our future use. We will see that in a short while, and before moving on to our actual setup, let us have a look into our JSON file that we have taken for our today's example. This is the sample JSON file that we are having. We have around 150 records in our JSON formatted file, and this is something related to a Ford make, in which we have two columns, model name and the model make ID. And here you can find some of the records are being malformed, which is again corrupted. So we have to handle these scenarios. Let me bookmark so that you can see that. So the bookmarked two lines are malformed records. So we need to see how we can handle this in a Databricks, like we can save these records for our future purpose. Let us quickly log into our Databricks Community Edition and have a look into it. I had logged into my Databricks Community Edition and also started the cluster for us to run this example. And also I have uploaded the JSON file that we have that I shown you just now. And if you have any doubts while how to import or how to export the data into a Databricks Community Edition, we have already made a video for that. I will give that in an iCard. You can have a look into it. That being said, let us move on to our today's problem. Let me show you what is the content that is in the JSON file that I have imported. The command for that is in Databricks we can run the fs command, fs head, and I'm giving the JSON files path that is available. And here you can notice we have some bad records, like as I showed you earlier, we have some bad records. We are going to see how we can handle this in Databricks. So the regular method that we do while reading the JSON file is we will use spark.read.json and we will give the path. This is just to show you the data frame with the corrupted record. So just a quick recap, what are all the default modes that is available? I mean, what are the modes that is available in our JSON file while reading? We have permissive mode, which is a default mode, and then we have a drop malformed. If we give drop malformed, it will remove the corrupted records by default, and it will show only the valid record that is available. And if we use fail fast, it will fail immediately without saying that there is some corrupted records, correct the file. So if we have any specific requirement, like you need to fail the file if it has any bad records, then we can use this. That being said, we will move on to a feature that is available in our Databricks. So here you can see I am using bad records path in an option, and I am giving some file name to store the bad records. The file will be stored in a JSON format. Let me quickly run this for you guys. So here you can see again, this didn't return any corrupted records. I didn't give it as any mode specified. By default it will take a permissive mode, as you know. And here you can see, since I have given a bad record path, those bad records has been stored into this particular path, and it has returned only the valid records as a output in a data frame. Let us quickly see what is where it is stored in the DBFS path. So inside DBFS file store, I have given tables, and inside this I have given a bad record Ford. So inside this it will create a date folder, and inside that it will have a bad records, and inside that we will have a pod.json file. So this is the format it will have. That being said, we will read how we will check how we can read this file. I hope you can see this window. Let me enlarge it a bit. So let us view what is the content that is available in the bad record path. I have given, you can see like file store tables bad record 4, and then instead of date column I have given star and the bad records, and I have given star to read all the files that is available inside this. Let me quickly read it. So you can find the path and the reason, and also we will get the records as well. So by this way we will be able to analyze what is the problem that is with the bad records that we are getting daily on the daily basis. We will get the file from which the failure has been occurred. I mean, like the corrupted record is there, and the reason for the failure. You can see like here it is saying like was expecting double quotes to start the field name at source, but it has been ended with the curly braces. Like it will say the reason as well. Here you can see was expecting a colon to separate the field. So something like this it will say, so that we will be able to understand the failure and we will be able to analyze it for our future purpose. So by this way we can handle the bad records in specifically in Databricks. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Try this on your own machine and let me know if you face any problems while executing these commands. That's it for today, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Give a thumbs up signal if you like this content, and also subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, guys.